Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Caught. Hay. Got hay. M plus hatch. Match. Got a match? If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. I gave my little semi-military salute there because we have someone who's in the Air Force. We have Staff Sergeant Greg Street on my right, and Greg has won $6,280 in prizes, and we're delighted to have you back with us.
Thank you, Alex.
How long have you been in?
I've been in 8 years now.
Going to do the full 20?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good for you. All right, where are you stationed?
I'm stationed out at March Air Force Base.
Okay. Your opponent, same lady you faced on our last show, Beth Ann Staub, who has won $5,949 in prizes.
Hi.
Welcome back to you.
Nice to see you again.
Now, you came within a hair's breadth of winning a car last time out.
Well, next time.
Next time you'll do it?
Next time I'm up there.
But you want to win a particular vehicle.
Yes, I do.
You want the Jeep Wrangler.
That's for sure.
All right, well, good luck to you both. Take a look over here, and we will show you one of the prizes. Good prize in this game.
Panasonic's compact camcorder with hi-fi stereo recording and 6-to-1 power zoom for capturing every moment to last a lifetime. Furnished by Panasonic. Alex.
And on our game board, you can find the video camera, the Panasonic video camera at number 17. We also have a holiday in Jamaica. And Beth Ann, Greg is going to go first because he lost that last game. Greg, pick
Okay.
it.
Let's start in the middle of the board at 13.
Green take.
Okay, like to get that for some insurance later. Let's make a match under 3.
Green take under number 3, indeed. There you go, sir. Open it up. Pick again.
All right. Let's take a look under number 17.
Video camera.
Okay, we just saw that.
Mm-hmm.
And
That's all
number
right.
7.
Doesn't matter. You can make those kinds of mistakes. Number 7, he said. Designer lamps. Beth Ann, over to you.
Okay, let's see what's under number 1.
Oak table collection.
I would like that. Let's try to match it under number 10.
Stereo system. No match there. Greg.
All right, let's go to number 19.
Designer lamps.
And was the match under number 7?
Yes. Designer lamps do match up. And now we take a look at the puzzle. Select again.
Okay, still early. Let's go down to 21.
Jamaica.
Oh, yeah. Love to have that. Let's try to match it up at 18.
Red take.
boy.
No match. Beth Ann.
I would like either of those two. Number 24, please.
Video camera.
Video camera, and I believe that matches number 17.
Right.
Thanks.
Number 17 and number 24 do make it a match. And we look at the puzzle again with a little bit more showing. Does it help or does it confuse?
Doesn't help me.
Then select again.
Let's see what's under number 9.
Oak table collection.
And I believe the match number 2.
No.
Oh, no.
Sorry, Beth Ann. Mistake.
Okay, let me
Greg.
capitalize on that mistake and take a look at number 1
Oak table collection.
and number 9.
Oak table collection is a match. Now, she's got that video camera. That's a nice prize.
That's a nice prize. I'm going to save it. Okay?
You've got some young children. It's fun to watch them grow up, you know.
Yeah, I'm going to save it.
Okay. I'm not trying to talk you into it, you realize. I
It'd be
just
a
want
nice prize,
I just
huh?
want to point out the positive aspects of our merchandise. The Oak Table Collection panels will swing open, and let's see what happens now. Pick again, Greg.
All right, let's take a look under number 11.
Italian sculpture.
All right, and let's see if we can make a match under number 14.
Table tennis set, no match. Beth Ann's going to make a match.
I'm quite sure that the table tennis is number 2.
Right.
And the match 14.
You got it. 2 more doors opening up, but this time for Beth Ann's purpose. Select again.
Let's see number 20.
Wild card.
Like number 21.
21?
Please,
Why
yes.
does Beth Ann want 21?
Please.
Jamaica. Jamaica, man. That's why. The other Jamaica holiday right next door at 22. Let's watch it slide in. Beautiful vacation awaiting Beth Ann if she can solve the puzzle. Can you do it now?
That does not help me.
A lot of blue in this one. Pick again.
What is under number 6?
His and her diamond watches.
Oh, I love that. Check number 15.
Fishing equipment. No match. Greg?
All right, let's take a look under number 5.
Red take.
And was the red take under number 23?
No, but that's a wild card, so you're going to get it anyway. Bad news for Beth Ann, I'm afraid. You've got both takes, and I know she's got something you want.
I'm going to use both of them.
No, you can only use one at a time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead with the Jamaica trip.
The Jamaica holiday first. Coming to Greg's side. 3 panels opening up for his benefit.
Is it brushed wives dinosaur?
Greg, tell you what I'm going to do. Now, I can repeat that, and we can find out if that's the correct solution, or I can save you an embarrassing moment.
Okay.
Is it brushed wives dinosaur? Come on, come on. I thought that was right. Go for it, Greg.
All right, let's redeem myself, and let's take a look at number 10.
Stereo system.
Okay, and let's take a look at number 6.
His and her diamond watches. Beth Ann, you're back in this.
I'm very happy because I won number 16. And number 6.
And number 6 for the diamond watches.
Wonderful. That's
The other diamond watches are at 25, so that replaces your Jamaica vacation that you lost a moment ago, but
kind of does.
kind of does. I see. Well, let's take a look at the puzzle now as we open these 3 doors. Select again.
Number 12, please.
Fishing equipment.
And number 15.
Fishing equipment, that's right. Will these 2 pieces be enough? Select one more match and you'll clear the board.
Number 4, please.
Italian sculpture.
And I believe that's number 11.
Italian sculpture. And we'll open those 2 doors and show you 8 and 10. You'll pick up the stereo system as well. A lot of prizes up there, Beth Ann. Solve this puzzle.
Old wives' tale.
It's an old wives' tale. This isn't an old wives' tale. This is a fairy tale, and it's coming true for Beth Ann. Come on, Beth Ann. Let's go to the board.
The whole plus D is old, with the W plus the hives for wives, and the dinosaur's tail is tail.
Yeah, that poor dinosaur. We had a lot of dinosaur out here just to use his tail, and that kind of threw Greg. But you gave us one of the funniest solutions in weeks. Greg, you're not going away empty-handed. You've got 2 strikes against you, but you also have $6,280 in prizes. Congratulations
Thank you very
to you.
much.
Nice having you with us. Take care. So
Good
long.
luck.
All right, Beth Ann, another big win for you, and some more prizes coming your way. Gene, go for it.
Fishing equipment, a table tennis set, and an Italian sculpture. Miller imports Armani, hand-painted in Italy. Lady with Flowers is designed with intricate detail, styled with the elegance of classic European sculpture, furnished by Miller Import, and a stereo system. Symphonics compact stereo system is packed with advanced features. AM/FM quartz tuner, dual cassette deck, turntable, remote control, and incredible sounding 2-way speakers furnished by Symphonic. and his and her diamond watches. Benris ladies and gents gold tone watches. Basket weave bracelet, diamond dial, precision quartz movement, never needs winding. Furnished by Benris. And of course, the handsome video camera. Prizes totaling $3,395.
Big win again for Beth Ann Staub, and she says now comes the Wrangler. We'll see after this. Beth Ann's won just a shade under $10,000 in prizes, and she has her heart set on a Wrangler, so let's get to it. 15 numbered squares for you, Beth Ann. 40 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
3, 6,
No.
5, 4,
No.
7, 8,
No.
1, 8,
Right.
9, 2,
There goes the Wrangler.
3, 12,
No.
6, 12,
Right.
15, 4,
Yes.
7, 10,
No.
11, 14,
No.
13, 7,
No.
14, 7.
Right. When that Jeep went by so early, I think you kind of got a little
My
disheartened.
heart was broken.
Oh, poor girl. You've got $9,344 to keep your heart from breaking. Some fabulous prizes, and you play again after this break. The initials BS figure very prominently in this match. We have Beth Staub on my left. The newcomer is Bruce Sad. Hiya, Bruce.
Nice to meet you.
You're not sad at all. You're smiling. You're happy.
I am fired up. We're going to go and we're going to win some
Colorful
games.
shirt. You
Like
want to
that?
have fun, right?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, there will be but one wild card in this game to assist you contestants, but that means we've added a super prize. Take a look over here. Here's something good for your home.
Whirlpool's washer features 9 cycles with water temperature and level selectors, plus automatic bleach and fabric softener dispensers. The 6-cycle dryer, in gas or electric, lets you select just how dry you want each load and then automatically shuts off. Furnished by Whirlpool. Alex.
Yes, it automatically shuts off.
What up, Evan?
It automatically shuts off in the same way that Marjorie's brain occasionally automatically shuts off. Thank you, Marjorie, for your help. We'll look for Santa in the dryer later. Beth Ann and Bruce, take a look on the board. The washer and dryer dead center at number 13. Now, I promised you some great prizes. We do have the 5 bonus seconds. We have $500 in the cash pot, and we have a vacation in a very exciting city, New Orleans.
Woo!
Yes. And Bruce,
The
you
Nolans.
get to go first.
Okay, let's find Nolans here. Let's start with 6.
5
Ooh,
bonus car
that's
seconds.
not bad in itself. Let's see if we can match that 5 bonus car seconds with a wild on 19.
No cash pot there. Beth Ann.
Let's see what's under number 21.
Diamond and pearl ring.
I would like that. Let's check under number 22.
Word processor.
I'd
No
like
match.
that.
Bruce.
Okay, let's see if we can get some help here. Number 9.
Red
A
take.
red take. Let's take a look at down at number 25.
Red take. Well done.
There we go.
I was about to say that with just the one wild card in this game, you don't want to be counting on
Well, that's
uncovering
true.
a wild card, but you didn't need it. You made the
Forgot
natural
all
match.
about that wild.
And the 2 doors open for you, Bruce. Pick again.
Okay, let's try, still got to get that Nolans. Number 3, excuse me. Number 3,
Entertainment Center.
Entertainment Center. Let's match that Entertainment Center with number 17.
Wild card. There it is. The only one. The other Entertainment Center at number 18.
Very nice.
Very nice indeed. Open it up. Pick again.
Let's look at number 2.
Home safe.
I have no valuables at this point, but we'll look for something to match that under number 22.
Word processor. No
saw
match.
that.
Beth Ann.
I'd like to see number 20, please.
New Orleans. Bruce
And he
would say
took my
Nolans.
wild card.
That's all right. He made some natural matches. You
Let's
can
see
too.
number 15.
15. Broiler rotisserie. No match. Bruce.
Number 5.
Word processor.
And let's match that word processor with number 22.
The word processor appears at 22. The match is made, and Bruce gets to look at this. Select again.
Let's take a look at number 15. We just saw
Broiler
that,
rotisserie.
Bruce.
We just
Very
saw that. You
good.
must have a thing about broiler rotisseries.
Then let's match it. Number
Okay.
6.
Good idea. 5 bonus car seconds. Didn't we see that
Yes,
there a
we
while
did.
ago?
I could pick
Beth
that
Ann?
one.
Oh, let's see number 11, please.
Diamond and pearl
I
ring.
believe that was 21.
I believe you're right.
Oh, good.
You are right, and I am right. But you get a chance to solve the puzzle. Select again.
Number 4, please.
Broiler
And
rotisserie.
number 15.
We're not going to forget that one, are we?
No.
Bruce is happy to get rid of it. He didn't want it anyway. Open it up. Select again.
Number 23, please.
Cash pot.
Oh, goodness. I believe it's number 8.
New Orleans. Bruce just kind of sat up in his chair a moment ago, folks, as if he thought he could solve this puzzle. We'll find out in a moment.
First of all, let's start with number 20
New Orleans.
and go to number 8.
There's
And
the
I'm
match.
going to Nollins. Okay.
New Orleans goes up there, and you have the tape.
have
And
the
she
tape.
has that diamond and pearl ring and the broiler rotisserie. I know you want the rotisserie.
Broiler rotisserie, gosh, I was tempted with that, but I'm going to hold on to that just a little bit longer.
Oh, all right. If he's holding on to it just a little bit longer, that should indicate that he can't solve the puzzle. But let's find out. Select again.
Oh. Let's look at number 14.
Home safe.
Number 2.
Home
Yeah.
safe. Now do you want to use the tape?
Oh, I still have to hold on for a little
All
while.
right.
It's
Open it
tough
up.
puzzle here.
Tough puzzle indeed. Go again. Oh, there's the bell, so you won't get a chance to use this. Hands on your signaling buttons. We're going to start revealing with number 1, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 16, 19, 23, 24. Study it carefully. I will assist you. I want you to start thinking about a famous sports team. The arrows are pointing at the boss. So we have boss, the boss plus 2,000 pounds. Beth Ann is in first.
The Boston Red Sox.
Boston Red Sox, she says. And the Boston Red Sox it is. And Beth Ann wins and gets to go to the board and gets to go to the winner's circle again.
And you pointed out this is his boss, and this is a ton with 2 thousands there, and you have the stop, the red light, and the saw plus the KS is socks.
See, what you just discovered is that you don't have to understand all of the symbols as long as you solve the puzzle. Bruce, that's only 1 strike against you. We'll see you in the next game. Take
I'll be
care.
right back.
All right, Beth Ann. Prize is coming your way, and here's Gene to tell you. Gene.
A broiler rotisserie and a diamond pearl ring, part of Abigail's Heirlooms collection. A hidden heart ring opens to reveal a hidden heart. This magnificent diamond and pearl ring is a reproduction of an authentic Victorian jewelry furnished by Abigail's Heirlooms.
And when we come back, Beth Ann will try again to win. A lot of lovely young ladies from Loara High School in Anaheim, California are cheering you on, Beth Ann, so don't disappoint them. Here are the 15 numbers, and here is the clock with 45 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
Let's try number 1, 4,
No.
2, 4,
Right.
5, 6,
No.
3, 1,
Yes.
7, 8,
No.
9, 12,
No.
11, 5,
No.
10, 5,
Right.
13, 14,
No.
8, 14,
Right.
15, 9,
Yes.
6, 7,
No.
11, 6,
Right.
7.
Oh, that's twice you did that. And you had a car in both times, Beth Ann. $10,384, and you're going to have to wait until our next show. We'll take a break. This is heartbreak time. Gene, say something.
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly Southern Charm Collection, ideal for upholstery, slipcovers, draperies, and bedspreads. This beautiful fabric is fine decorative fabric furnished by Waverly. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
As Scarlett O'Hara and Beth Ann Staub would say, tomorrow is another day, and maybe it'll happen then. Thank you for tuning us in today. Have a good one. So long, everyone.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.